What is an advantage disadvantage essay?
हाँ.
In IELTS advantage disadvantage portions, the examiner makes a statement and asks the test taker to comment on the advantages and disadvantages of that statement. However, there are three different types of advantages and disadvantages. Each require different approach. Let's first see the different types of advantage and disadvantages portion.
Now ये जो advantage disadvantage है ना, some people say this, some people say that is similar. थोड़ा सा language बदल जाता है because some people say this में and जो दूसरे वाला है ना, it is exactly opposite of that.
Yes, sir.
So if I can figure out advantage of one, तो उसका disadvantage becomes the like starting point for the opposite view.
Yes,
Like that as you was some people want to stay in one place. So what are the advantages of that? And then
yes,
इसकी जो disadvantage हैं वो बन जाते हैं आपके let's say discussion points for why some people want to move from place to place.
yes, sir.
Right, so what is the advantage? So इसमें तीन टाइप के ऐसे होते हैं. So what they do is they give you one statement and say advantage and disadvantage बताओ इसी के, or what they have given you. Some people want to do this and some people want to do that, but दोनों एक दूसरे के exactly opposite हैं.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now yes.
In some countries,
Hmm.
young people are encouraged to work or travel for a year between finishing high school and starting university studies. Discuss the advantage and disadvantage for young people who decide to do this.
Right here, nobody is asking your opinion.
Yes, sir.
They only say एक आपको टॉपिक दे दिया. Your job is only to discuss what are the advantages and disadvantages of this.
Yes, sir.
Nothing else is required. Of course, there will be a conclusion, but nobody is asking your opinion in this case.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's and इन सब के example भी आएंगे आगे जाके. Then yes.
Sir. Type 1 simply asks the candidates to
No,
discuss the advantage.
ऊपर पढ़िए. Start from the heading.
Heading okay. Type of advantage disadvantage essay type 1.
Hmm.
Type 1 simply asks the candidates to discuss the advantages and disadvantages. It does not ask for the opinion or to discuss which side is better or worse. So this should not be included in the answer. This requires a simple structure in which one has to look at the advantages in one paragraph and disadvantages in other.
Right? So there is
Yes, sir.
opening, there is body is these two paragraphs, and there's a conclusion.
Yes, sir.
And and in this case, nobody is asking. So in my view, has no place in this type of essay because nobody is asking your view.
Yes, sir.
So advantage, disadvantage. एक topic दे दिया. So you say what are the pros of this and what are the cons of this.
Yes,
And
sir.
here your view might be that there are no cons of this, but still you should have to give cons of that. Your view doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then.
The types of advantage disadvantage essay type 2.
Ah,
Advantages outweigh.
yes.
Some experts believe that it is better for children to begin learning a foreign language at primary school rather than secondary school. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages?
Here also nobody is asking. In the sense, language may your view will not be there. Now it is some people a topic दे दिया. Some experts believe that children should start learning foreign language from primary school itself.
Yes, sir.
So वो कह रहा है इसकी जो advantages हैं, do they outweigh the disadvantages?
Okay, sir.
You could say no, they don't, or you could say
Yeah.
yes, they do.
Okay. It's a
So
question,
here,
sir.
it's a question. So
That's
here,
it.
yeah, it's a question is do the advantage of this outweigh the disadvantage? Your answer could be yes, your answer could be no.
Okay.
If your answer is yes, you have to prove why advantages outweigh disadvantages. If your answer is no, you have to prove why disadvantages outweigh advantages.
Yes,
And there
sir.
is no right or wrong answer here. Whatever
Yes,
you
sir.
say is acceptable. All that is checked is how do you prove it? How do you write? How do you explain that? That's it.
Yes, sir.
तो इसके आपके चार बन जाते हैं पैराग्राफ हेयर ऑल्सो वन टॉपिक
Yes, sir.
सेकंड बॉडी बॉडी के एक एडवांटेज वाला एक डिसएडवांटेज वाला एंड क्लोजिंग
Yes, sir.
here we should have separate paragraphs for advantages and disadvantages
Disadvantage.
separate paragraphs
Yes, sir.
ओके हियर नाउ दूसरी चीज
Types.
नाउ हालांकि वो बोलने वाला है नाउ
Okay.
इट डज नॉट मीन कि आप बोल रहे हो एक चीज की एडवांटेज ज्यादा है तो एडवांटेजेस इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर डिसएडवांटेज से ज्यादा होना चाहिए ऐसा कुछ नहीं है
Mm-hmm.
ये जो एडवांटेजेस हैं कैन बी ओनली 3 एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस कैन बी 10
Okay, sir.
what you have writing it is only how those advantages actually outscore disadvantages
Yes, sir.
that is numbers की कोई problem नहीं है you can have only one reason saying that this is a big advantage of this and against this you can give इसकी 10 disadvantages हैं but एक बहुत बड़ा advantage है उसके सामने वो छोटी छोटी disadvantages का कोई weight ही नहीं है जैसे
Yes, sir.
अभी आने वाला है
Okay. Types
Now,
of advantage, disadvantage essay, type 2. Advantages outweigh. In type 2, one has to say which is stronger, advantages or disadvantages. Note, the question doesn't say if there are more advantages than disadvantages. The question is not asking to talk about numbers, but comment on the overall weightage of the advantages or disadvantages.
yeah.
For example, there are a large number of advantages to traveling by private jet, but there is one major disadvantage, the cost, that stops people from flying that way, and therefore the disadvantage outweigh the advantages. In this example, the test taker has to decide which side, advantage or disadvantage, is stronger. This will affect our structure. If the test taker chooses advantages outweigh the disadvantages, then he has to say why these are stronger than the disadvantages. This shall also have to be made clear in your thesis statement.
This is the because here he is not saying isko explain this, explain that also. That he is not saying. Now he is saying which is better. So I have to choose one from the two, and that has to
Yes,
be
sir.
disclosed in my opening paragraph, and that's your thesis statement.
Yes, sir.
Now numbers ki baat. Now he says there is only one factor, one disadvantage, and that is cost.
Yes, sir.
That cost outweighs all other advantages.
Advantages.
It is convenient, you save time, you can reach quicker, there is less fatigue. There can be 10 of these advantages, but there is only one big disadvantage for most of the people, and that is cost.
Yes, sir.
So numbers के game में नहीं जाना. So whatever I say, it can be in terms of points. I can have lesser number of points as compared to the other one, but जिसको मैं prove कर रहा हूँ, that has to be very strong.
Yes, sir.
And to जो आपका topic जिसे आप agree कर रहे हो, that should be second. First is topic, opening paragraph. Second is जिसको आप कह रहे हो ये outweigh करता है.
Yes, sir.
If you say disadvantages outweigh, तो आपका second paragraph is how disadvantages outweigh.
Yes, sir.
If you say advantages outweigh, then second paragraph is how advantages outweigh.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, in this case, Disadvantages outweigh is going to be second paragraph. And what is that disadvantage? Just one, cost.
Yes.
So this is second. One is you have been given 2 points. You have to explain both. Second is you have to say
Mhm.
which is better. किसकी advantage ज़्यादा second, and here is the third one, and this is what we had today. Okay, how?
This type of advantage, disadvantage, types of disadvantage and disadvantage. Let's say type 3.
Yeah.
Your opinion.
Yes.
Computers are becoming an essential part of school lessons. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages and give your own opinion.
Yes. So you आपका जो topic था, it was similar to this.
Yes, sir.
So you have to give इसके advantages क्या है, disadvantage क्या है, and then what is your opinion.
Yes, sir.
दूसरा, when we are talking about advantage, disadvantage, preferable thing in this kind of cases is use third person for advantage and disadvantage,
Yes, sir.
and use first person for my own opinion, because that makes it
Right.
absolutely clear. जो first person में लिखा है वो मेरा opinion है, and that is a separate
Okay.
paragraph.
Okay.
So I can have just one paragraph, or I can club advantage and disadvantage in one paragraph using third person.
Okay.
And then the third paragraph is my opinion
Mm-hmm.
using first person, and the last paragraph is conclusion. इस केस
Yes,
में
sir.
कंक्लूजन आएगा बिकॉज वो आपका ओपिनियन पूछ रहा है, ना आपने अपना ओपिनियन थीसिस स्टेटमेंट में बता रखा है. You have to disclose your opinion in the introductory paragraph. That's your thesis statement.
Yes, sir.
Like advantage disadvantage type, वहाँ आपको जो आप कह रहे हो ये better है, that you have to write in the thesis statement. Here also, here what is your opinion, that has to be disclosed in the thesis statement. So you have to devote one paragraph proving your opinion.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Types of advantages in type 3, your opinion.
yeah.
Type 3 is different because it is more like a combination of opinion, essay, and a disadvantage and disadvantage essay at the same time. Structure will have to reflect this by having paragraphs for advantages and disadvantages. There will also be a paragraph giving opinion of the test taker.
Now advantage disadvantage का या लोगों की opinion का, I can have one paragraph or I can have two paragraphs. That's my choice. But there has to be one paragraph exclusively on what is your opinion.
Yes, sir.
If that is not done, then ये suppose आपने अपना opinion किसी paragraph में डाल दिया, तो there is a problem.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So इसके लिए इसे उसको अलग, wherever they say what is your opinion, always use first person for that.
Okay, sir.
And बाकी why some people say that, some people say that, use third person for that, तो वो अपने आप ही अलग हो जाते हैं. Okay,
Okay.
now there are some, so there are some sample essays.
Okay. Now let's on
Now of course वही लिखा है. Now read this out.
type of advantage disadvantage essay type 1.
हाँ.
Type 1 simply asks the candidate to discuss advantage disadvantage. If it does not ask for the opinion, discuss which is better or worse, this could not be included in the answer. Should not be included in the answer. This requires a simple structure in which one has to look at the advantages in one paragraph and disadvantages in the other.
Right, and here is also the
Okay.
structure. So introduction,
Okay.
yes, huh?
Sentence 1, paraphrase question.
Huh.
Sentence 2, outline sentence.
Right, there is no thesis statement in this because nobody is asking your opinion.
Okay,
Thesis
sir.
statement comes only when they say what is your opinion. What do you
Opinion,
think
yes,
about
sir.
it? Or which is better? When somebody says which is better, that's also your opinion they are saying indirectly.
Yes, sir.
Right? So in this case, nobody is
Yes,
asking
sir.
your opinion. So there is no thesis statement. It is only paraphrase question. an outline. Outline means what are you going to do about it?
Yes, sir.
Right. So two sentences, then
Supporting paragraph 1, advantages. Sentence 3, topic sentence, advantage 1. Explain how this is an advantage. Example.
right.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is your second paragraph, advantage. Then topic sentence, paragraph, we know the structure of paragraph. There is opening topic sentence, then there is body, and there is a closing sentence.
Yes, sir.
Each paragraph. So that's your supporting paragraph, and then advantage, and this is the disadvantage paragraph. Top structure is same in this case. Yeah, बढ़िए.
Supporting paragraph 2, disadvantages. Sentence 6, topic sentence, disadvantage 1. Explain how, sentence 7, explain how this is an disadvantage. Sentence 8, example.
Right. So if I have, I can have three advantages and three advantages. उसने एक का बताया, one advantage one उसका topic, then explain and then example. I can have
Yes,
three
sir.
disadvantages and then same thing. अगर मैं तीन लिख रहा हूँ तो मेरा sentence number 9 is topic sentence of that. Explain why that is disadvantage and example of that. So एक paragraph advantage, एक paragraph disadvantage, and now we have conclusion.
Conclusion,
Clear?
sentence 9, summary of main points.
Right? So conclusion is not your opinion because nobody is asking that. So it is some, conclusion क्या, whatever you have written in the opening paragraph, वही है rewritten differently. Right? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is a advantage, disadvantage, and here this is the now sample essay. Okay.
It is argued that technology is playing an ever-increasing role in schools and universities. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of this.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So my feeling might be there is no disadvantage of this, but I shall still have to write what are the
Right.
disadvantages.
Yes, sir.
And here is the essay.
It is
So
argued that
first sentence is opening, and then we have body.
what
One now is
advan-
this case 1/3 means ये जो essay है वो 3 पेज में लिखा हुआ है, अभी आप पहला पेज देख रहे हैं.
hello. Yes, sir. It is argued that technology is playing an ever-increasing role in schools and universities. Students' freedom is one of the main advantages of this, and decreasing level of face-to-face contact is one of the main disadvantages.
Right, इसमें कहीं नहीं लिखा, there is no thesis statement.
Yes,
Basically,
sir.
what he has done is simply rephrased the topic given.
Yes, sir.
And then he says एक एक आइडिया दे दिया, स्टूडेंट फ्रीडम इज वन मेन एडवांटेज एंड फेस टू फेस decrease of face to face contact is one main disadvantage,
Yes, sir.
and they are going to prove this. Okay, now
One
go
of the
on.
principal advantages of an increase in the use of electronic devices in education is the autonomy it provides the student. Students have the freedom to focus on whatever topic or subject they want to study and they want and study. They can study it in depth through the internet. A prime example of this is the number of online university courses available to students, covering a myriad of subjects that until recently were unavailable to most learners. This has resulted in more people studying third level degrees than ever before at a pace and schedule that suits them.
Right, so this is structure. ये पैराग्राफ है आपका एडवांटेज का,
Yes, sir.
and then there is next paragraph of disadvantages.
Yes, sir. The main disadvantage associated with the increasing use of technology in education is the decrease in face-to-face interaction between students. Students spend more time looking at computer screens by themselves than interacting with each other, and this is thought to lead to lower levels of emotional intelligence. For instance, the recent explosion in smartphone use has been at the expense of genuine human interaction. This results in soft skills such as verbal communication and empathy being affected.
Right, so advantage, disadvantage. So advantage was second paragraph, disadvantage is
Yes,
third paragraph, and then we don't have to start counting numbers in this.
yes, sir.
It's my choice. I can write 10 here and I can write 5 there. Doesn't matter because there is not no comparison. So whatever comes to my mind about one topic, I'll write that. Whatever comes to my mind about second topic, I'll write that. So what they
Yes,
check
sir.
is only how you support that. No numbers. क्योंकि इसने कोई ये नहीं बोला बताइए इसकी एडवांटेजेस ज्यादा क्यों है, सभी पूछ नहीं रहा. And this
Yes,
is
sir.
your closing.
In conclusion, the benefits the technology brings to education, such as student autonomy, must be weighted against the drawbacks, such as negative effects on human interactions. Overall, the education benefits outweigh the disadvantages because human beings will always want human contact, and most people will not solely use IT for education.
Okay. So
Yes,
opening,
sir.
advantage, disadvantage, closing. Nowhere इसमें, in my opinion, has not come anywhere
Yes, sir.
because nobody is asking your opinion in this type of essay. In first, nobody was asking your opinion. Explain
Yes, sir.
advantages and disadvantages. Nobody is asking your opinion. Which is better, advantages or disadvantages? Which outweigh? Nobody is asking your opinion. But
Yes, sir.
okay, huh?
Types of advantage disadvantage essay type 2.
Hmm.
Advantages outweigh. Some experts believe that it is better for children to begin learning a foreign language at primary school rather than secondary school. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages?
Yeah, here it is very clear. Should children be taught second language from the early school years?
Yes, sir.
So this is the topic, and they say, are the advantages of this system more than the disadvantages?
Yes, sir.
Now it's my choice. I can say advantages outweigh because it's a question. He is not saying prove
Mhm.
this. If he says prove this, I have no choice. Either question mark, so I can say advantages outweigh or I can say disadvantages outweigh. That's my choice. I have to work accordingly. But if I say at disadvantages outweigh, then my second paragraph has to be why disadvantages outweigh.
Yes, sir.
If I say advantages outweigh, then my second paragraph has to be why advantages outweigh.
Yes, sir.
इसके ऊपर केयर लेना पड़ेगा. If I say advantages outweigh, then I cannot write second paragraph listing disadvantages. It
Yes, sir.
confuses the reader. Okay. Ah.
In type 2, one has to say which is stronger, advantages or disadvantages. Notice the question doesn't say if there are more advantages than disadvantages. The question is not asking to talk about the numbers but comment on the overall weightage of the advantages or disadvantages. For example, there are a huge number of advantages to traveling by private jet, but there is one major disadvantage: the cost, and that stops most people from flying that way, and therefore the disadvantages outweigh the advantages. In this example, the test taker has to decide which side, advantage or disadvantage, is stronger. This will affect our structure. If the test taker chooses advantages outweigh the disadvantages, then he has to say why these are stronger than the disadvantage. This shall also have to be made clear in your thesis statement.
Yes. Now, because he is asking of my opinion, Now हमारा जो opening paragraph है, that will have a thesis statement. Thesis statement basically क्या होता है? What is my view? What am I going to prove? What is asking me to prove
Yes,
is
sir.
what is my opinion about it. बाकी जो उसने दे दिया advantages, disadvantages वो तो मुझे पता नहीं पड़ेगा. So thesis statement is why I say advantages outweigh or why I say disadvantages outweigh, and I have to prove that. But to उसको prove करने के लिए it's not necessary that I have to give. Suppose I say disadvantages outweigh, does not mean I have to give more number of disadvantages as compared
Yes,
to
sir.
advantage. It doesn't mean that. It only means I can give only one disadvantage, but the effect of that one disadvantage is much more than the positive effect of all the advantages.
Yes, sir.
Like the example given here. And here is the structure.
Sentence one, paraphrase portion, sentence two, thesis statement, which state which one outweighs the other.
Yes.
Sentence three, outline a sentence.
Right? So in the part one, there was no thesis statement because nobody is asking your opinion.
Yes, sir.
So in type 2, there will be a thesis statement because now I have to pick one which outweighs, and that has to be written in my opening paragraph, and that is my thesis statement. Rest we
Okay.
know how opening sentence is written and what is outline sentence, that we know. So which outweighs an opinion, their thesis statement is necessary. Okay, now.
Sentence four, main body paragraph one, stronger side. Sentence four, topic sentence. Sentence four, explain why it is strong. Example. Sentence seven, topic sentence. Explain why it is stronger. Sentence nine, example.
Now, I can have only one big idea about why it is stronger, like cost was in the example given, or I can have multiple points. So for
Yes, sir.
every point we know one topic sentence, why, then prove it and then give example. So this is
Yes.
yours now second paragraph, एक opening and one first body paragraph, and then this is weaker side, main body paragraph 2.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sentence 10, topic sentence. Sentence 11, why it is not strong. Sentence 12, example.
Example. Okay. So 3 and 4th is your conclusion.
Sentence 13, summary of main points and restate position.
So here I have, there is a thesis statement, that's my opinion, and here we all know in your conclusion, closing paragraph, it is nothing but your opening paragraph restated
Yes, sir.
in different language. So here we have a thesis statement, so that also forms part of the now. एक चीज और, now don't think कि इसमें 13 sentences ही होंगे. It's not like that,
Oh, no, no, no. It's
right?
not like that, yes, sir.
He is only writing number of sentences, giving numbers to explain the structure,
Yes, sir.
right? So this is now second type outweigh, and here is the okay
Some
now.
experts believe that, yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the topic, huh?
Yes, sir. Some experts believe that it is better for children to begin learning foreign language. It's the same, है ना, sir?
No, ये topic अभी इसका ये develop किया जाएगा ना?
Okay, हाँ, okay, yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Some authorities
Authorities.
think that it is more favorable for pupils to begin studying language at primary school instead of secondary school. This essay will argue that the advantages of this outweigh the drawbacks. The essay will first demonstrate that the early someone learns an additional language, the more likely they are to master it, and it that it brings added cognitive benefits, followed by an analysis of how the primary disadvantage, namely confusion with their native tongue, is not valid.
Okay. So that's your opening paragraph,
Yes, sir.
and the fellow says, my thesis is that it is better.
Yes, sir.
So, here,
The main reason to start kids off with foreign languages early is that this increases the likelihood they will achieve fluency in adulthood. This is that is to say that they will have far more years to perfect their skills and it will seem perfectly normal to speak bilingually. For example, in countries such as Holland and Norway, where English is taught from a very young age, more than 95% of adults speak it at an advanced level. Learning a second language also helps to improve overall cognitive ability. In other words, it benefits the overall development of the child's brain. A recent survey by Cambridge University found that children who studied a new language before the age of 5 were scientifically more likely to score higher in mathematics and science.
okay, so this is ये उसने लिखा है कि what are the advantages if the children start learning second language from an early age, and this is the opposite view. Huh?
Opposite. Those opposed to this say that it causes the child to become confused between their mother tongue and the other language. However, there is actually no evidence to support this view, and children from bilingual families do just as well in both languages. My son, my own son was brought up speaking both Vietnamese and English, and outperforms most of his classmates in both.
Okay, so this is somebody is trying to prove that each of you had that if the children start learning language at early age, that is problem. He says no, nothing like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so which means he has actually proved why doing this is better. Advantages are more than the disadvantages,
Yes, sir.
and this is your conclusion.
On balance, the fact that early foreign language learning leads to higher fluency and improved brain function early outweighs the flawed argument that it impairs uptake of native language.
Right, so four paragraph, first paragraph opening where you have given thesis statement, which
Yes, sir.
the point which somebody is trying to prove. Second is the why it is better. Third is
Yes,
what are the problems associated with that. And
yes,
of
sir.
course, in this case, the problems have to be less than the advantages.
Yes,
Or I
sir.
mean, not in terms of number, but in terms of weightage.
Yes, sir.
And last is your conclusion, concluding
Yes, sir.
paragraph, चार paragraph. So आपका first two type, four paragraphs will be there.
Yes,
Whether he
sir.
says advantage बताओ और disadvantage बताओ, वहाँ भी दो paragraph plus opening closing, and where advantages outweigh, वहाँ भी दो paragraph, एक advantages outweigh वाला, and दूसरा explaining the disadvantages. And
Yes,
this
sir.
is your the last type.
Type of advanced disadvantage essay title, your opinion. Computers are becoming an essential part of school lessons. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages. Give your opinion.
Right? So
Yes, sir.
either I have to do now, that's what the kind of thing you had. Three things: discuss advantage, discuss disadvantage, and then give your opinion.
Yes,
Better thing from in this type of essays is pick one of these two only. If you pick something else, third thing
sir.
which is not
LCI.
part of this, we will have to prove that.
Yes, sir.
Right, wrong, nahi, every answer which I give is right answer. But the only thing is, yeah, if I'm picking something uh, which is neither not from this, so I shall have to start thinking about that also. उसको उसके बारे में भी लिखना पड़ेगा. So why make
Yes,
my
sir.
own life difficult?
Yes, sir. Type 3 is different because it is more like a combination of opinion, essay, and advantage and disadvantage at the same time. The structure will have to reflect this by having a paragraph for advantage and disadvantage. There will also be a paragraph giving your opinion of the test taker.
Right? We have this. ये आपको मालूम है? We have another type of essay which is only what is your opinion.
Yes, sir.
उसमें होगा computers are becoming essential part of school lesson. What is your opinion about this? We have
Yes,
that
sir.
type of essay also. So it is basically combination of that. So what he's doing, he's asking your opinion. Plus, now he's also asking now discuss the advantages and disadvantages of this.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Sentence and paraphrase the question. Sentence 2, thesis statement, your opinion. Sentence 3, outline sentence.
Because here your opinion is being asked, so there has to be a thesis statement. There will be no
Yes,
thesis
sir.
statement where nobody is asking your opinion. You have simply been given a statement and say explain this. Okay, huh.
Sentence 4, topic sentence. Sentence 5, explain. Sentence 6, example.
So it goes on. Disadvantage. Huh.
Sentence 7, sentence 7, for topic sentence. Sentence 8, explain. Sentence 9, example.
Right, again I'm saying don't he's giving sentence 7, 8, 9 only for purpose of
Purpose.
explaining.
Yes, sir.
Don't think that अगर इसने लिखा है 15 sentence तो my essay has to have compulsory 15 sentence. Nothing like that. हाँ.
Something, yes, sir. Sentence 10, explain opinion. Sentence 11, explain or give example.
Yeah. Now I can have three, sir. I can have advantage ka one paragraph, disadvantage ka second paragraph, and then my opinion third paragraph, or I can combine advantage disadvantage paragraph. वो भी कर सकते
Yes,
हैं. The choice is mine. No hard and fast rule.
sentence 12, summary of main points.
Yeah. So this is the topic, and here is the essay.
Yes, sir. Information technology is becoming an important part of learning. This essay will show that this is a welcome development and can enhance educational practice. It will first suggest that the instant availability of huge amounts of information is primary advantage, followed by a discussion on how it can sometimes lead to plagiarism.
Very good. Right. So what he has, this is a thesis statement. This statement is instead availability of huge amount of information is the primary advantage, and sometimes it can lead to plagiarism. So this is what the fellow says. I'm going to prove. That's my opinion. So that is a thesis statement.
Yes, sir. The main benefit
Dream.
computers bring to learners is easy access to vast amount of resources. Learners were once limited to the books they had and the knowledge of their teacher. Now they can learn about anything they choose at the touch of a button. Google is a prime example because it allows people to easily search for whatever they are looking for quickly and accurately.
Okay, so that is advantage. This is your second paragraph.
So,
Hmm.
one possible drawback is that using internet to complete academic work can sometimes lead to pupils copying articles from the internet. As a result, students do not have to think about their task and learn regularly. The Sunday Times recently reported that 72% of college graduates in the UK are admitted to copying and pasting Wikipedia articles at least once.
Right, so you can have separate paragraphs for advantage and disadvantage, or you can combine, no problem.
Yes, sir.
And then there is the another paragraph, and that's your opinion. Yeah, your opinion.
Overall, it is very positive development because most students will take advantage of the power of the information superhighway to enhance the study rather than using it to cheat. For example, in 2005, Cambridge University found that students who regularly used computers were 26% more likely to get a first class degree than those who did not.
That's your opinion, and here is closing.
In conclusion, the web has provided a gateway to knowledge unlike anything else before, and although it can sometimes lead to few taking the easy route and plagiarism, however, it is very positive step in the innovation of evolution of education.
Okay, so this is your opinion. Your opinion as a thesis statement. Advantages
Yes,
outweigh as a thesis statement, but explain both the views as no thesis statement.
yes, sir.
And we have to be very careful about, especially in what is your opinion. If I don't write my opinion, you are going to get penalized for that. And even in the second type, where it is advantages outweigh, some people only write advantage and disadvantage and don't compare the two, there's a problem there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So actually it is better to spend some time actually, thinking about what does he actually want and make some
Yes,
planning. Because once planning is done, then the job becomes easy. So all I have to do is simply जो मेरे planning notes हैं, I have to simply keep converting those notes into sentences.
yes,
So
sir.
that is your advantage, disadvantage. Okay, so I'm sure you must be aware of this, but let's go through this in any case.
Yes, sir. How writing tasks assist. To do well in IELTS writing test, it is important to understand what the examiner is looking for. There are four criteria, four testing criteria in the assessment: task achievement, task response, coherence and cohesion, grammar, lexical resources or vocabulary. Each of these has 25 weightage in overall score.
Okay. So task achievement, task response means suppose he's asking for advantages outweigh and I've मैं जो लिख दिया उसमें advantage how advantages outweigh नहीं आ रहा I've written
Mhm.
advantages and I've written disadvantages then आपका जो task achievement है उसमें कमी है
Yes, sir.
and each of these points has 25% weightage. So because of that problem, my overall score will not get affected. उतना वो 25% के ऊपर ही असर आने वाला है. But if suppose overall there is coherence and cohesion, overall grammar is good, overall vocabulary choice is good. Now these things are going to get me marks.
Yes, sir.
बट बिकॉज ये क्यों आपका फर्स्ट 25% मार्क आ गया बिकॉज द पर्सन्स पीपल डोंट spend the time carefully understanding what does the topic actually want.
Yes, sir.
नंबर वन नंबर टू सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है लोगों का जो लैंग्वेज का लेवल है ना वो लो है वो एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डज द एग्जामिनर एक्चुअली वांट.
Yes, sir.
And Tisra, you must have noticed here, all these people who go to these coaching centers, वो जो वहाँ ट्रेनर्स हैं वो उनके माइंड में डालते रहते हैं बड़े बड़े वर्ड यूज करो हैवी वर्ड्स यूज करो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्ड्स यूज करो
Yes, sir.
किसी भी ऐसे में यू डिड नॉट सी मैनी हैवी वेट वर्ड्स.
Yes, sir.
Nobody wants that. It makes writing difficult. All
Yes,
that they
sir.
want is don't repeat the words. Okay, don't use informal language. Use formal language. Write have coherence, cohesion, grammar, lexical resource, but it is not at all compulsory to use heavy words. We are not used to that. अब गलती करोगे आप उसके अंदर,
Yes, sir.
right? So this is this is
Task
explanation of that.
achievement fully satisfies all requirements of the task, clearly presents a fully developed response. Cohesion and cohesive.
Coherence and cohesion.
Uses cohesion in such a way that it attracts no attention, skillfully manages paraphrasing,
Paragraphing.
lexical resource, paragraphing, lexical resource, uses a wide range of vocabulary with very natural and sophisticated control of lexical features. Rare minor errors occur only as a slip. Grammatical range and accuracy uses a wide range of structures with full flexibility and accuracy. Rare minor errors occur only as slip.
Okay, so neither in speaking nor in writing, they expect your written and spoken word to be 100% grammatically correct.
Yes, sir.
They don't accept, they don't expect it, and neither it is possible.
Yes, sir.
People have done experiments, no, in experiments language भी होते हैं, and people have done experiments recorded, speeches of highly qualified people, and they say कि जिसने इंग्लिश में 10 PhD कर रखी है, even they don't speak grammatically correct sentence all the time.
Yes, sir.
The only thing they check is जो मिस्टेक्स आपने की हैं वो मिस्टेक्स का ओवरऑल मैसेज के ऊपर कितना असर हो रहा है.
True.
9 बैन भी आते हैं लोगों के राइटिंग में, 9 बैन भी आते हैं स्पीकिंग में. प्लीज डोंट assume that there was absolutely no mistake in those who get 9 bans. Mistakes were there, but those mistakes had practically no effect on the overall message.
Yes, sir.
That is what they say. Okay, so this was 3 type of advantage, disadvantage essays. Structure अलग अलग है, so we have to be very careful about what is the structure and write my essay accordingly. One advantage and disadvantage. They'll say there are this is advantage, this is disadvantage, and explain both. That's
Yes,
one.
sir.
And or they'll say the advantages outweigh disadvantages. What is your opinion? And
Yes,
third,
sir.
there are some advantages of this, there are some advantages, disadvantage of this. Explain both and then also give your opinion.
Yes, sir.
तीनों का structure अलग है,
Yes, sir.
pattern अलग है. And if something is not done, they want 3 questions to be answered. I have answered 2. There is going to be penalty, and there is no point in writing. Like 250 बोला है, 260 ठीक है, 270 ठीक है. But if I start approaching 300 plus, so there is double penalty.
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो इसका एक है मेरे पास प्लानिंग नोट भी है. हाउ मच टाइम टू स्पेंड ऑन प्लानिंग, हाउ मच टाइम टू स्पेंड ऑन राइटिंग, हाउ मच टाइम टू स्पेंड, बेसिकली सेम 20-60-20 formula.
Yes, sir.
If somebody has very strong control over the language, it can be 20-70-10, but without revision nothing should be given.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any question on this?
Yes, sir.
Right, so be careful about
Task response.
task response. Most important thing is to understand